Okay? This game is called a treasure hunt game. Okay? Mommies and daddies, parents and guardians and kids, you can join too. Okay? We scattered 30 pieces of envelopes. Okay? Wait lang. Kaluin mo na. 30 pieces of envelope all over this area. I want you to look for it, and when you find it, just go here to Ate and wait for the surprise. Don't open it, kids, ha? Don't open it kasi sabay-sabay natin bubuksan yung envelope. Yeah, you just stay here. Okay? Now, kids! Ready? Yes! Okay, ready na sila! Okay, stay here! 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, okay, reminders, ha? 1 envelope, 1 kid only. Yeah, pwede niyo siya ibigay sa inyong mga friends para lahat tayo ay may prizes and giveaways. Okay, just hold the envelope, don't open yet. Sabay-sabay natin siya open yung envelope. Okay, I want you to sit down. Sit down, kids. Lahat na may hawak na envelope. You sit down. Okay? Just sit down on the floor. Yan. Ating parents and guardians, may nakuha rin po ba? Yan. O, sit down kayo, sit down. Okay. Ilan na po yan, Kuya Joey? Ilan na lang ang kulang natin? Okay. Yan.